Good morning, Year 5. It's Wednesday, the 3rd of February, and today's maths lesson we are going to continue on with some measure. It's going to work a little bit differently today. The first part of the video is going to be Miss Slater's class, and your learning objective is going to be able to convert between centimetres and metres. For Mr. Turnbull's class, my class, I will put in the description when the video for your lesson will start. But you could also flick through the video and you'll be able to see my name in red writing like Miss Slater's is on this part of the video. So the in focus task for this lesson says, this table shows how far 6 athletes jumped, and it asks you who jumped further. So have a look, see what you think. But first of all, I'm going to put this video in the description and on Teams. Have a quick look at the link below and see what the long jump is and notice how they measure it. Now, a little bit like the last lesson, we've got a real key rule for today. Now this one, it's a little bit similar. The key rule for Miss Slater's class is that 100 centimetres is equal to 1 metre. Now the problem is it's a little bit more precise than that. So which distance is going to be longer? 8 metres and 1 centimetre or 8.1 metres? Pause the video, see if you can have a little go of that, and then we'll go through it a bit more on the next part of the video. So this bar model here shows how we can break down and work out which is greater. Now on here you can see the girl is saying 10 centimetres is 1/10 of a metre, and we can use our 10 times table to count that up and check, can't we? We know that 100 centimetres is equal to 1 metre. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So we can see that that's correct. Now, to show that as a decimal, it's 10 centimetres equals 0.1 metres. And this can help us solve this problem. After working this out, we can say that 8.1 metres is 8 metres and 10 centimetres. Now that's longer than 8 metres and 1 centimetres. So 8.1 metres is greater than 8 metres and 1 centimetre. So how would this look if we were making a conversion calculation? You can see that we've used our key rule again. 1 metre is the same as 100 centimetres. So 8 metres is the same as 800 centimetres. 0.1 metres equals 10 centimetres. So if we add those all up, 8.1 metres equals 810 centimetres. This one again gets a little bit more difficult. So we can see that we've got 8.12 metres this time. Now this bar model shows, remember, if it was 0.1 it was 1/10, so it was one of these bars. Okay, but if you've got a 0.12, we need to split this bar into another 10 parts, and we're just going to count 2 of them. Okay, like this, as you can see from the diagram. So 10 centimetres equals 0.1, and add another 0.2 on that gives us another 2 centimetres, as we can see here. Okay, so 8.12 metres is the same as 8 metres and 12 centimetres. If we were going to count them all up, we know that 800 centimetres is the same as 8 metres, so it's 812 centimetres. So this is the final type of problem that you're going to face. This guy says that I jumped 8 metres and something centimetres, and you can see below it's 8.07 metres. And this guy here said that he jumped 7 metres and something centimetres, and he jumped 7.7 metres. And what we've got to do is we've got to try and work out how many centimetres there are as well as the metres. So below is the explanation of how to do it. We remember 0.1 metres equals 10 centimetres and 0.7 equals 70 centimetres. So the total amount of centimetres is 770 centimetres. So this one, it would be 7 metres and 70 centimetres. This one here, we know that 0.01 equals 1 centimetre. So 0.07 equals 7 centimeters. So it's 8 meters and 7 centimeters. So these will be Miss Slater's class's task for today. I will also add a challenge. Have a good go and good luck. The next part of the video will be for my class. So this is going to be our in focus task for today. These are the world records for the pole vaults over the years. The pole vault is where you run with a large pole and try and vault yourself over a pole in the air. It's really good to watch if you want to have a look. So these are some different world records set in different years. So in 1963, Brian Sternberg, 500 centimeters. In 1981, Thierry Vigneron, 5.80 meters. Reynaud Lavillenie, 2014, I'm sure I've said that wrong, 616 centimeters. So the problem is we're going to try and write all of the heights in the same unit. So if you think you can have a go at this with knowledge from last year, you can pause the video and have a go. If not, you can stay with the video and we'll go through the Let's Learn part of the lesson. Okay, so before we look at the actual calculations, let's look at some of the key rules here then. The key things to remember. The first one that I'm underlining in red or trying to, 100 centimeters is the same as 1 meters. It's equal to 1 meter. 10 centimeters equals 0.1 meters. And 1 centimeter equals 0.01 meters. Okay, so it's 1/100th of a meter, 1 centimeter. 10 centimeters is 1/10, and those are the rules that we're going to use today. So if we look over here, 500 centimeters equals 5 meters because 100 centimeters equals 1 meter. 616 centimeters equals 6.16 meters. Now how did we get to that? Well, 600 centimeters is the same as 6 meters, and then we have the 0.1, which gives us our 10, and the 6 centimeters gives us the 1/6. Okay, and here's another one. So we're looking to convert 5.80 meters into centimeters. So again, 1 meter equals 100 centimeters, so 5 meters equals 500 centimeters. Then we just need to work out the 8.0 or 0.8. So 0.1 meters equals 10 centimeters, so 0.8 is 8 times that, gives us 80 centimeters. So 5.80 meters in centimeters is 5 meters and 80 centimeters. These two sheets are going to be your task for today. If you have any troubles, please go back to the video and remember our key rules and really work through it systematically. If you have a number, go back and look at the different key rules that we've looked at and work through each part of the number to convert it into the different measure. Hope that's all good for you. Have a great day and see you next time.